You guys got some really cool shades on.
Wearing opposite. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, all white, all black.
Yeah. Everyone always somewhat like matching in a white shirt.
Oh, true. Smart. Wouldn't have thought of that.
I googled it and everything. Imagine you get baptized in like your
This is the moment before Natalia gets baptized.
Say goodbye to the old me.
Say hello to the new you. It's like a big moment. Starting to get the butterflies.
Jalen Barrios group feed.
I love you guys. Give me like 30 seconds.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
I have leggings now.
You look amazing. Sorry, I was filming. You guys picked that up. Whoa. So it's been another 2 months since I played. We'll see how it goes. I have gotten no shots. Oh no, I've gotten one shot in the last like 10 minutes. The first 10 minutes of the game. I got like 3 shots the whole period. The other goalie got peppered. And I'm sitting in the net just like... I feel like I had a solid period though. Still tied 0-0. We just scored to make it 1-0, 3 minutes left in the second period. It was a weird goal, like it was batted out of the air, weird goal. They just called a timeout. They have a power play. 10 minutes left in the third period. Oh my God, first shutout in like 13 years.